Birds are singing. Coffee's good. Today's gonna be one of those days we're gonna hot rod on something different. My wife's truck broke down last weekend. Water pump went out, puked everywhere. I called the dealership Monday morning to see what they would charge because I just didn't have time to mess with it. And they wanted $3,200 to do the water pump, the timing chain service, all those, while you're in there kind of deal, do it. Could not do that, $3,200. So I was like, okay. Told mom, I was like, you know what? Just take my car, work from home this week because I just couldn't get to it. So today's Saturday. We're gonna tackle this thing and see what kind of fun we can get into. All right, we have everything marked and disconnected. Have to remove the intake, some of the charge pipes. So now we have the intake is loose. Just gotta wiggle it out and get it off so we can take the valve covers off, and then the fun begins. All right, intake manifold is off. So now what we gotta do is tape up the intake runners so we don't get anything in there. Now we take the valve covers off, which that should be fun. All right, here we are at the 5.5 hour mark. We have both valve covers off, intake manifold is off, and this is what it's looking like. So what's next now is we're going to drain the oil, support the motor, pull the motor mount off, and then pull the timing cover out. I'm about done. Just kidding. Okay, so we have the motor mount removed. The motor is actually hanging on the jack, so the motor's basically loose. I got all 2 million bolts out that are holding the timing cover, so we should be able to get the timing cover out now. All right, the timing cover is off. So now we can see the water pump. Here's where we're at. The water pump is right here. This is the water pump. Here's another shot of everything. So we gotta get the tensioners off, the guides, the timing chain to get to the water pump. Fun. I think we are right now, what time is it? 5 o'clock. We're at the 8 hour mark. So 8 hours to disassemble everything to get it to this point. We probably have another hour-ish to get the timing chains off, get the water pump off. But I'm done for today. I'm tapping out. So that's enough. My brain hurts. This makes all of that look super easy.
Hey, if you go back to put this together and it leaks, hey, KG, Norm, hey, don't show up for 2 weeks, man.
Don't show up for 2 weeks. Nobody show up for 2 weeks.
You're gonna be mad.
Yeah, here's the aftermath. All of this has to come off. All of this has to come off. Wait, there's more. Just to get to the water pump. Yeah. I'm done for today. Hey David, what's that one meme? I know what's wrong with it.
Ain't got no gas in it.
Ain't got no gas in it.